Hello, fashion enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of color theory in fashion design. Color is not just a visual element, it's a crucial tool that can transform a simple outfit into a statement, evoke emotions, and even influence buying decisions. Understanding how to use color effectively can set you apart in the fashion world, whether you're designing your own clothes or just trying to style your wardrobe. Let's explore how mastering color theory can elevate your fashion game to the next level. First things first, let's talk about the color wheel, a fundamental tool for any fashion designer. The color wheel consists of primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, which mix to create secondary colors, orange, green, and violet. These secondary colors blend further to form tertiary colors, filling out the vibrant spectrum we use in design. Understanding this wheel is essential, as it forms the basis of color harmony and mixing. By knowing which colors are complementary, opposite each other on the wheel, analogous, next to each other, or triadic, forming a triangle, you can start to create stunning combinations in your designs. This basic knowledge helps in predicting how colors interact with each other, setting the stage for more complex applications in fashion design. Moving on to color harmony, the heart of aesthetic appeal in fashion. Harmony is achieved when the combination of colors in a design is pleasing to the eye, creating a balanced and cohesive look. There are several methods to achieve this, such as using analogous colors which are side by side on the color wheel and naturally work well together. Another approach is to use complementary colors, which are directly opposite each other on the wheel, to create a bold contrast. For example, think of a vibrant blue dress paired with a striking orange bag, a combination that's sure to turn heads. Understanding these relationships not only boosts the visual impact of garments, but also enhances the overall design narrative. Color is powerful. It can influence mood, convey messages, and even affect decisions. In fashion, understanding the psychology of color can be a game changer. For instance, red can evoke feelings of passion and energy, making it a perfect choice for a statement piece. Blue, on the other hand, is often associated with calmness and reliability, ideal for business attire. By choosing the right colors, designers can evoke specific feelings and connect more deeply with their audience. This chapter explores how different colors can be used strategically in fashion to achieve desired emotional responses and the implications of these choices in design narratives. Keeping up with color trends is vital for staying relevant in the fast-paced fashion industry. Each season, designers and forecasters predict which colors will dominate the fashion scene. These trends can influence everything from runway shows to street style. For instance, Pantone's Color of the Year greatly impacts design choices across the industry. Incorporating these trendy colors into collections can attract fashion-forward consumers and press attention. However, it's also important to balance trends with timeless design principles to ensure that pieces remain appealing over time. Fashion is personal, and using color to flatter individual skin tones and body types is a skill every designer should master. Warmer skin tones can glow in earthy shades like amber or olive, while cooler tones shine in jewel tones like sapphire or emerald. Furthermore, understanding how colors can visually alter perceptions of body shape is crucial. Darker colors often provide a slimming effect, while bright, bold colors can draw attention to areas you want to highlight. This chapter discusses tips for choosing the right colors for various body types and complexions, ensuring everyone feels confident and looks fabulous in their attire. Not all colors appear the same on different fabrics. The texture and weave of a material can affect how a color looks and even feels. For instance, a vibrant red might appear luxuriously deep on velvet, but could look stark and bright on silk. This chapter delves into how different fabrics interact with colors, including how light reflects off these materials, changing the color's appearance. Such knowledge is crucial for designers, as it affects fabric choices and can drastically alter the aesthetics of a garment. Color isn't static. It changes under different lighting conditions. What looks perfect under the warm light of a fitting room might look completely different outside in natural daylight. Designers must consider the lighting in which their creations will be worn. This chapter explores the science of light and color, including how designers can use this knowledge to ensure their colors look consistent across various environments. Practical tips for testing colors under different lights will also be discussed, helping to avoid unwanted surprises for the end wearer. Color holds different meanings in different cultural contexts, and in fashion, this can be both a challenge and an opportunity. A color that signifies mourning in one culture may represent celebration in another. Recognizing these cultural significances can help fashion designers create more respectful and appealing designs globally. We explore significant examples of color symbolism across cultures and reveal how designers can use this understanding to influence global fashion trends. Color blocking is a bold approach to using color in fashion design, where two or more solid colors are used in large blocks. It's a fantastic way to create visually striking outfits and highlight the dynamic relationships between different hues. This chapter will cover techniques for effective color blocking, including choosing colors that balance or contrast well, and how to apply these techniques to create cohesive yet exciting designs. Examples of successful color blocking in both high fashion and everyday wear will be showcased. In today's fashion industry, sustainability is as important as style. Dyeing processes can have significant environmental impacts, from toxic waste to high water usage. Opting for natural dyes and sustainable practices not only benefits the planet, but also adds a layer of ethical appeal to fashion collections. This chapter discusses how designers can incorporate eco-friendly practices into their color choices, including the benefits of natural dyes and how these choices can influence consumer perceptions and market trends. And that's a wrap on our journey through the fascinating world of color theory and fashion design. I hope you found these insights inspiring and that they help you bring more color into your wardrobe or design work. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. See you next time. Pause 2S. Now that we've explored the basics and impacts of color, let's dive into some advanced applications of color theory in the fashion industry. Color isn't just about aesthetics. It's a powerful tool that designers use to evoke emotions and tell stories. Take, for example, the use of monochromatic color schemes in high fashion. Designers like Balenciaga and Gucci have mastered this technique, using varying shades of a single color to create depth and interest. This approach not only highlights the silhouette of the garments, but also focuses the viewer's attention on textures and details. Another fascinating trend is the use of color psychology to influence consumer behavior. Brands like H&M and Zara incorporate vibrant yellows and reds in their store designs and window displays. These colors are known to evoke feelings of excitement and urgency, encouraging shoppers to feel more impulsive and upbeat about their purchases. Looking forward, we're seeing a rise in the use of sustainable dyes and pigments in the fashion industry. Innovators are developing eco-friendly coloring methods that reduce water usage and chemical waste. This not only benefits the environment, but also appeals to the growing market of eco-conscious consumers. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with color in fashion, we're sure to see even more innovative and inspiring uses. Whether it's through psychological impact, aesthetic appeal, or environmental responsibility, the future of fashion color is as bright and vibrant as ever. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge fashion insights, and make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of advanced color theory. Subscribe for more updates on how color continues to shape our style and our world.